Data types and Java keywords. In Java, the primitive data types includes Boolean, which is a 1 bit, char 2 bytes as it is Unicode. Since Java accepts Unicode standards, it does not accept ASCII standards. Hence, they changed the size of char to 2 bytes. And third primitive data type is integral. In integral, we have integer, floating point. Again, the integer has byte, which is 1 byte, short, which is 2 bytes, int 4 bytes, long 8 bytes, and floating point has float 4 bytes and double 8 bytes. And coming to Java keywords, these are the keywords present in Java. Abstract is a pure virtual function. Assert is used to raise the exception in a class. And we have Boolean, break, byte, case, catch, etc. Final is to make constant. Finally is for exception handling. Implements used in interfaces for multiple inheritance. Import used to import built-in packages. Instance of is to check the objectivity of a particular object. And we also have int, interface to replace multiple inheritance, long, native, new, and package which is used to combine many number of classes. And instruct fp, the same floating point is obtained. Super is to access the base class methods. And we have switch and synchronize to synchronize the thread concepts or the methods. And throws is for exception handling. Transient saves the object state. And volatile is for multi-threading. It saves in main memory.